Do you want fix a error on Valorant minus 81? Okay, we are going to solve this problem, okay, step by step. Okay, the first step for the solve this problem, okay, you are going to the search, okay, of Windows, and you put, okay, ms config, okay, and here, okay, you open, okay, the settings of your system of Windows, okay, and here you go to the services, okay, here in this option, and you click here, okay, for the security of your Windows, okay, and here, okay, you go screen down, and if you not click here, okay, if you not select this option, okay, you select, okay, and you applicate and you accept, okay, here, and here you okay, you reboot your PC, okay, and open the PC, and you solve the problem. Bye bye.